So this is our pop-up demonstration. This is demonstrating how there are multiple inefficiencies in different parts of our energy grid. So that includes inefficiencies where the energy is generated, when it's transmitted, and when it's used. So how we're going to do that is we're going to start with some water. So I have it measured out with 2 cups, and then we can measure it at the end so we can see how much water is lost during this process because of the inefficiencies. So we have a cup representing the home or the consumer area, and a cup representing the power plant, and then the straw represents the transmission lines or how the energy is transported. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut a small piece of sponge to fit in both of the cups, which represents the energy drain at both these places. And then you're going to cut holes in the bottom of the straw so water can seep out it to demonstrate energy loss when transmitting it. So what we're going to do is we're going to pour the 2 cups of water through the system, having it drain into this cup, and then we will measure how much is left once we're done. So let's do that. Helps if you have a second person. So you can already see that some of the water is spilling out of the straw. And again, that's just, as you're transmitting energy from the power plant to homes, you're going to lose some of it just due to different non-ideal inefficiencies. And we're just waiting for the rest of the water to run through, making a huge mess. Okay, perfect. So then we're going to see how much water we actually got at the end. So reminder, we started with 2 cups. So we only have about 1.5 cups now. So we lost about half a cup of water or energy in this case going through the system. And that's just a reality of our grid. So this is the demonstration, and that's how it demonstrates that concept. So for this next part, we're going to show how changing some aspect can improve efficiency. So in this case, we are using a normal straw instead of one that's cut up. So in this example, we're showing how improving the efficiency of transmission lines can lead to less energy loss. So everything else is the same. We're going to use a cup of water this time so we don't overflow. And then we will see how much is lost this time. And the sponges are still in there, so just the straw was changed. So we're still getting a little bit of loss just where the straws joint there, but it is a lot less than it was last time. Okay, and now that it's all over my shirt, let's measure that. So just a reminder, we started with a cup, and now we're to about half a cup or 2/3 of a cup. So we still lost energy, but not quite as much.